This product right here has grown my hair. It has made my skin so vibrant. It's grown my nails. Like, I legitimately love this product, hands down. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Choc the Glam, and I want to thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. This video is all about how I take my Nutraburst and how you can take it as well. So if you haven't done so already, be sure to like this video, comment down below, and share this video, please. I will greatly appreciate it, okay? So the next thing I want to talk to y'all about is this Nutraburst. I did a video on my most frequently asked questions about the product, what it's done for me, so on and so forth. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and watch that one. It's gonna make a lot more sense when you watch this one. This right here is like the part 2 to that one. This is my bottle of Nutraburst. And after every serving of this, I put it back in my refrigerator. It has to stay cold after opening, you guys, okay? So keep that in mind. My next thing about how I take Nutraburst. Okay, so it's recommended that you take about 1 tablespoon. That it's very loose, like, I mean, it's very like almost like watery in consistency, so it is easy to spill this product. And let me tell you something, you don't want to waste 1 drop of this product, okay? You don't want to do that. You want to make sure you keep it. This is precious. This is liquid gold right here, baby. So this is how I take my Nutraburst. I get it out of the fridge first thing on the morning on an empty stomach, okay? I take it, I shake it up, right? I take 2 capfuls of Nutraburst, and then what I do is after I wipe my cap thoroughly. This is my personal bottle. I don't share this with anyone, so I'm not spreading any germs. I just clean it out and I wash it, but since I'm recording right now, I have to wait till I'm done recording. Now, some people take theirs with like a shot glass, or they have like a little bitty measuring cup. That's cool too, but if you do not have either one of those, you can use the cap. I just recommend that you keep it clean, because you will get Nutraburst that spills all around the side, all around the top of the cap, and that's pretty grody. I love the fact that it has 72 minerals, 19 amino acids, and 22 phytonutrients, and it has a 98% absorption rate compared to 20%, which is what you'll get when you take a pill form of vitamin. That's like night and day. This product right here has grown my hair. It has made my skin so vibrant. It's grown my nails. Like, I legitimately love this product, hands down. Not because I'm a distributor for the company, but because before I was a distributor, I was a customer. So I wouldn't want to recommend something that I didn't try myself. Another thing that I like to tell everyone is Nutraburst is safe for the entire family. Another way that I recommend taking Nutraburst is, you know, you can take your shot and then chase it with a piece of candy to get rid of the taste. Another cool way to take Nutraburst to get that into your body, you can cut it with, like I said, you can cut it with any type of juice. So I want to thank you so much for taking your time out to watch this video and to learn a little bit about this amazing product. And if you're interested in purchasing, you can do so down below in the description bar by clicking the first link. You can buy now and pay later on my website, which is exclusively on my website. You can't do this on my TLC retail site at all. This is just something that I offer to my Choc squad, okay? So if you were interested, it's right there. And if you have any questions, you can text me or you can reach out in the comments. I'll be sure to answer you as soon as possible. You can also purchase the product by just going directly to my Total Life Changes retail site, which is down below. So you like what you hear and you're interested in joining my team? Well, I would love to have you a part of my Choc squad, because I can give you all the keys to be successful in this amazing business, to make you money before your product even hits your mailbox. If you're interested in doing that and having an amazing support group behind you, go down to my description bar and sign up with the Total Life Changes link. Or if you have more questions and you want to do a one-on-one with me and we can talk more about becoming business partners, all you have to do is text me down below at the phone number provided, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I want to thank you so much for tuning into this video. It brings me great pleasure to make these videos for you guys, and be sure to comment down below, like the video, and subscribe and share if you care. Take care. Bye.